everyone. So this is just a video going over user profile library. It's a library by We Get Design. So I'm going to show you how to install it on your Bubble editor. So this current Bubble editor at the moment is just got a user table. It's got no designs and no option sets. So the way it's structured, it encourages you to start off with the database, and that's important if you're going to lay UI elements and workflows on top of them. So we're going to first start going with user role. So that this is an option set. So we go to data, option sets. Now this is a slight thing with Bubble. You can't paste anything unless you have something in here. So for the moment, just put the first option set, right click and paste type, and then you can get rid of the test. This adds a user role option set where you can define roles for maybe for logging in. So in this case, we've got default and admin. The next one I'm going to upload is a database type. So I'm just going to go here, right click on the user and click paste type. And then I'll have the user profile data. It links into the original user table, and it just image, email, full name. I'm then going to scroll down and I'm then going to copy account and I'm going to paste that type, which then the account references all the related user profiles we just copied across, the logo, name, and website. So this is a basic structure we generally use on accounts, on applications that we build, where you have a user with a related user profile and an account. And the reason for the separation here is so if you, one of your clients decides to add a user as a profile in the app but not invite them, and then later on decide to invite them, you can then create a user or add a user to the user profile. I'm then going to scroll down and copy the profile table. Now it's an element with a workflow, so I'm just going to go to the design view. I'm going to make sure it's on the new engine, so let me just upgrade this engine. Just go through that. And once it's on the new engine, so go back, reopen Zippy. Let's go to the library, user profile, and I'm going to copy that item again. I'm going to right click. I'm going to this time paste with workflows, and I'm just going to, it's on a fixed canvas at the moment, even though it's the new responsive engine, and I've pasted my table. Now I've got one issue, and that relates to a pop-up that's not in the application at the moment. So I'm going to scroll here, copy the pop-up, right click, and again I'm going to paste this with workflows because there's an element with workflows, and I have that pasted. And the only bit I have to do then is connect the two. So I'm going to show pop-up and add. And now I have my table list and use a pop-up form to collect those details. So I'll just show it. Now it's on privacy rules at the moment, so it's not going to, so I'm just going to disable them just for the demo. So if I just go privacy rules, allow everyone to see, find this in searches, and the same with this one. So basically it's copied across the privacy rules, and the privacy rules in this case is just a simple, this user is current user, or current user is logged in, and or current user is logged in. So I'm going to go back now to the actual preview of it, refresh it, and I'm going to click on the plus icon which has a workflow. Now it is just a basic application, a basic design, but it's just to give you an idea of how everything connects. I'm going to select my user role and I'm going to upload a photo if I've got one to hand, and then I'm going to click add, and then that adds it to the database. So there's a bit of a glitch there. It's not showing the role, but yeah, I'll get that fixed before we release that out. But I hope you like. Any questions, please give us a shout. Thank you.